Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to access Ledger Nano X step by step. Start by charging your Ledger Nano X and installing Ledger Live on your computer or phone. Power on the device, choose a PIN, and write down the 24-word recovery phrase exactly as shown. Confirm the recovery phrase when prompted and complete the Ledger Live pairing to access your accounts. Begin pairing by opening Ledger Live and selecting Add Device, then follow on-screen prompts to choose Ledger Nano X. Approve the Bluetooth pairing on both the device and app, confirm the PIN, and accept any firmware updates if offered. When adding accounts, select the cryptocurrency, open the app on your device, and wait for Ledger Live to detect the account. Always verify addresses on the device screen before confirming transactions. Treat your Ledger Nano X like a secure vault and never share your recovery phrase or PIN. Use metal backups for the 24-word phrase if possible, and keep them in separate secure locations. Regularly update firmware and Ledger Live, but only accept updates directly from the app. When sending funds, always compare the recipient address on your computer to the one shown on the Nano X screen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.